Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and today I'm going to be doing Love Me hair. So inside of the box you get the dust bag. You also get an incense, lace grid tape, and 2 wig caps. I also got heatless curlers, which I thought was so cute. But yeah, we're doing a pixie cut wig today. It's really simple, short, silky. The inside construction, you get no combs, but they have these wig grips built into it in the front and back, and it comes with a drawstring. And it has an old school closure at the top, no lace on this wig, so just an old school pixie cut wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, make sure I get it all sorted out, make sure none of the hair is tucked underneath the wig. I also adjusted my drawstring and flipped it underneath the wig. So this wig is made and styled for you to wear straight out of the box. So after you finger comb it or comb it out and get it situated, that is how you can wear it out. You'll see here in just a second. It's just that easy, ladies, to install. It's a real throw on and go. So this is what she looks like all the way around. But the video would be over after 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I thought I'd show you how I would customize it a little bit to make it more me and fit my face, because that is what wearing wigs is all about, is customizing them and making them special to you. So I'm taking a razor comb and I'm just clearing out the space around my ear. I don't want the hair to cover my ear. We want this to look very tailored to us. So as you can see, I'm just taking the razor and slowly going down until I shave that hair off. And now I have a good opening for my ear. I'm going to do it on this side as well. After doing the ears, it's already such an improvement. You can stop there if you like, but if you want to keep going, let's keep going. So I'm going to shave down the bangs just a little bit because they were a little bit long for me. So again, just take your time and slowly shave down little by little until you reach the length that you like. So I also pulled out my thinning shears, and when you use your thinning shears, you always want that straight blade to be on the bottom of whatever you're cutting, so just make sure you keep that in mind. But yes, I'm going to just take them and thin down these sides to make them look a little bit more tapered to my head. I don't know if you can tell the difference between the sides, but that side looks a little bit more tapered, a little bit more realistic. That's the importance of the thinning shears, knocking off that thickness that's not needed. Now I'm going to go in, after I did the other side, I'm going to go in with my shears and just take down some of the length that I don't want. And don't forget about the back of the wig. I know it's so easy just to think about what we see, and the back kind of isn't our problem. You know, it's whoever's standing behind you, but at the same time, you want this to be, you know, even and cohesive. So I just went all around the wig, making my adjustments, cutting it off and making sure it was even all the way around. And now I've decided to go ahead and bump it. You can stop right here and leave it sleek if you like, but I thought putting a little bump into it would be cute. And I think pixie cuts are very subjective and very personal. Everyone has their like favorite pixie style on them, whether it's the long bang or it's a micro. It just really depends, but I am a true pixie, no more than 5 inches type of girl. But I don't want to do anything drastic to the wig, you know. Basically, I'm just shortening it in the style that it's already in and bumping it. I'm basically just trying to show you that you can make minor adjustments and make the wig yours, and it'll be even cuter. So I ended up trimming the sideburns just a bit because they were a little bit long for me. So my final step was my Nairobi and my styling strips. I'm going to put the styling foam around my ears and on my sideburns to really mold them down because I want that tapered look. Then I'm going to take a styling strip just like you see here, tie it on there real good and tight. And I don't let it cover my ear. I bring it up around the ear so that area can really be pushed down flat. I'm going to then take my blow dryer on a medium heat until it is dry. So this is how it came out. I think it looks so cute. I actually love the sideburn that's flipped a little bit. I just like to give like pixie cuts and stuff like that personality. You kind of want it to be a 3D experience, whether it's a pixie or a mullet. But the point of this was no matter if it's human or synthetic, if you get a pixie cut wig, you can make your little adjustments and really customize it to who you are and what you like. I think this is such a cute little wig. You can wear it straight out of the box or you can make your own adjustments. But yes, this is how it came out. Tell me what you think. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye.